Good morning, dear students. In last video, we see the Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now, in this video, we see the examples of Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. The example number first is, in the figure, M is the midpoint of QR. Angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree. Prove that PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. This is the figure. Here, QR is the midpoint of, M is the midpoint of QR. And given that angle PRQ, this angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree. And to prove that PQ square is equal to 4 times PM. 4 times PM square minus 3 PR square. Okay. Therefore, solution in triangle PRQ. This is triangle PRQ. Measure of angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree and this is given. Therefore, angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle PRQ. What is a Pythagoras theorem? The square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of sum of other two sides. Here in triangle PRQ, PQ is the hypotenuse and remaining two sides are PR and RQ. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square or RQ square. And give the number first. And what is the reason? By Pythagoras theorem. Next, here M is the midpoint of segment QR. Therefore, QR is equal to 2 times RM. We know that here two line indicate that this distance RM and MQ is same. Therefore, QR is equal to RM plus MQ also, and here RM plus QR is equal to RM plus MQ. But distance RM and MQ are same. Therefore, QR is equal to 2 times RM. And what is the reason? Give the number second, and reason is M is the midpoint of segment QR. Therefore, what is first? PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. By substituting the value of QR to RM in first, we get PQ square is equal to PR square plus value of QR is 2 RM and QR square is 2 RM square. From first and second, 2 RM square is equal to 4 RM square. 2 का square क्या है? 4 और RM square is RM square. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4 RM square. And give the number third. Again, in triangle PRM, in this figure two triangle. The first is PRM, second is PMQ, and again third triangle is PRQ. Therefore, in triangle PRM, angle PRM is also 90 degree. Therefore, apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle PRM. Here, PM is the hypotenuse and remaining two sides are PR and RM. Therefore, PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square. Give the reason Pythagoras theorem by using Pythagoras theorem. Here to require the value of RM, because in third to put the value of RM from this PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square. Value of RM square is RM in this side plus PR square in this side get negative. Therefore, RM square is equal to PM square minus PR square. And give the number fourth. RM square is equal to क्या मिला है आपको? PM square minus PR square. Substituting the value of RM square in the third, we get PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4 times RM square की वैल्यू क्या है? PM square minus PR square. Multiplying 4 on this bracket. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4 into PM square, 4 PM square minus 4 into PR square minus 4 PR square. Therefore, here 4 PQ square is equal to 4 PM square. Here plus PR square and minus PR square, we get minus 3 PR square. आपको यही प्रूव करना था कि PQ square is equal to 4 PM square minus 3 PR square. Now example number 10, practice set 2.1. This is a word problem. Example is walls of two buildings on either side of a street are parallel to each other. A ladder 5.8 meter long is placed on the street such that its top just reaches the window of a building at the height of 4 meter. On turning the ladder over to the other side of the street, its top touches the window of the other building at a height 4.2 meter. Find the width of the street. First, to draw the figure by using this information, here the height is given 5.8 meter, next height is 4.2 meter is given, again window of building at the height is of 4 meter, and to find the width of the street. Now the figure is here. This is the figure. Here BD is the first building and AR is the second building. Now RD is the width, and here to find the value of RD. Okay, therefore solution, let RD represent the width of the street, BD represent the first building, BD is the first building, and AR represent the second building. Here CA and CB are two different positions of the same ladder from point C. ह्या C पॉइंट पासन हे सेम डिस्टन्स CA आणि CB दिसताना जरी कमी जास्त दिसत असेल तरी हे डिस्टन्स काय सेम आहे 5.8 मीटर and 5.8 मीटर. Therefore here AR is the height of AR is the height of second building and BD is the height of first building, and to find the value of RD, again given that here AC and value of AC is 5.8 and value of BC is again 5.8 because CA and CB are two different positions of the same ladder from point C. Therefore here two triangles, first triangle is triangle ARC and second triangle is triangle BDC. This example is depend on application of Pythagoras theorem. Here to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore in triangle ARC measure of angle R is 90 degree and that is the given. Therefore applying Pythagoras theorem to triangle ARC, AC is the hypotenuse and remaining two sides are AR and RC. Therefore after applying Pythagoras theorem to triangle ARC, we get AC square is equal to AR square plus RC square or CR square. Therefore by substituting the value of AC is 5.8, value of AR is 4.2, and to find the value of RC, actually to find the value of RD, but RD is the sum of RC plus CD. Therefore first find the value of RC, next to find the value of CD, and the addition of RC and CD we get the value of RD, that is the width of the street. Therefore by substituting the value we get CR square. Here AC की value क्या है 5.8, AR की value 4.2 है. To find the value of CR, therefore write CR as it is. To find the value of CR, therefore CR in this side plus 4.2, in this side minus 4.2, that is 5.8 square minus 4.2 square. Here 5.8 का square क्या है 33.64 और 4.2 का 17.64. Therefore after subtraction 33.64 minus 17.64 we get CR square is equal to 16, and taking square root on both sides we get CR is equal to 4 meter. Next to find the value of here CD, again in triangle BDC, this triangle, second triangle BDC, here angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. To find the value of CD, therefore apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Therefore BC square is equal to CD square plus BD square by using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore BC square is equal to CD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. By substituting the value of BC is 5.8. To find the value of CD, therefore write CD square as it is. Value of BD is 4 square. Therefore to find the value of CD, therefore CD write as it is here, and plus 4 square in this side minus 4 square. Therefore, CD square is equal to 5.8 square minus 4 square. And we know that the formula A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Therefore, here value of A is 5.8 and value of B is 4. Therefore, A plus B, A minus B. Therefore, 5.8 plus 4, 5 in second bracket 5.8 minus 4. 5.8 plus 4, 9.8 and 5.8 minus 4 is 1.8. Multiplication here, removing decimal point, therefore 98 upon 10 into 18 upon 10. Here 98 into 18 upon 10 into 10, 100. Therefore 98, here 18 means 9 into 2. 98 into 9 into 2 upon 100. 98 into 2 is 196 into 9 upon 100. 196 and 9 both are perfect square number. Therefore, this adjustment is for only perfect square number. Here 196 is the square root of 14 and 9 is the square root of 3. Therefore, 14 into 3 here taking square root of whole terms. Therefore, 14 into 3 upon 10. 14 into 3 is 42. 42 upon 10, again decimal point. Therefore, CD is equal to 4.2 मीटर. CD की वैल्यू मिली आपको 4.2 और CR की क्या मिली 4. To find the value of RD, but RD is the addition of RC plus CD because C is lies between R and D. Therefore, RC की वैल्यू क्या है 4 और CD की 4.2 and addition is 8.2 meter. RD is the width of the street. Therefore, width of the street is 8.2 meter. Instead of these all calculation, suppose 5.8 का स्क्वायर क्या है 33.64 and 4 का स्क्वायर 16. Another method to find the value of CD square. Okay, and इसका subtraction क्या आता है 17.64 means to here find the value of CD square is equal to 17.64 means CD की value find करनी. That is to find the square root of 17.64. Okay, 17.64 means 17 ऐसे भी लिखते हैं ना 1764 टू डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट के देयरफॉर 100 एंड 100 इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर मीन्स टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ओनली स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1764 एंड इन 7th स्टैंडर्ड वी स्टडी टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बाय यूजिंग फैक्टर मेथड. Therefore, here to find the factors, prime factor of 1764. Here unit place को 4 है इसलिए 2 से डिवाइड किया तो आया 882. अगेन 2 से डिवाइड किया हो गया 441. Then 441 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, next prime number is 3. Again divisible किया तो 147. Again divide by 3 we get 49 and 49 again divide by 7 we get 7 7s are 49. Therefore, the factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. That is make equal group. 2 into 2 one group. This is second. 3 into 3 का और 7 into 7 का third. And take only one factor. इस group से 1 लिया तो 2. 2 into 3 into 7. Therefore, 2 into 3 6 6 into 7 42. क्या आंसर है 42. Therefore, square root of 1764 is equal to 42 and square root of 100 is equal to 10. That is 1764 upon 100 is equal to 42 upon 10. That is 4.2. आंसर सेम आता है कौन से मेथड से किया तो भी चलेगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 16 centimeter and area is 192 square centimeter. First, to draw the figure of rectangle and the given. Here, length of rectangle is given 16 centimeter and again area is given, and to find the value of diagonal. This is the figure of rectangle A, B, C, D. Here, AC is the diagonal and area is given. To find the value of AC means to find the value of diagonal. Therefore, first write down the given things. Given area of rectangle A, B, C, D is equal to 192 square centimeter. length is given AB is equal to 16 centimeter, and to find the diagonal, that is length of AC. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Here area of quadrilateral or area of rectangle. Therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. First, to find the value of breadth. Therefore, by using area of rectangle ABCD is equal to, what is the formula? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to area of rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth, and value of area is 192. Length is given, length is AB, and breadth is BC. Therefore, by substituting the value 192 is equal to value of AB 16, and to find the value of BC, therefore write BC as it is. Here BC multiply in this side, here 16 multiply in this side, divide. Therefore BC is equal to 192 upon 16. After calculation we get BC is equal to 12. Again, to find the length of diagonal. Here diagonal ड्रॉ करने की वजह से आपको टू ट्रायंगल मिले. The first triangle is triangle ADC and second triangle is ABC, and we know that the every angle of rectangle measure is 90 degree. Therefore, to apply the Pythagoras theorem of triangle ABC, measure of angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, applying Pythagoras theorem, we get here in triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse and the remaining two sides are AB and BC. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is, and by substituting the value we get AC square is equal to find the value of AC, therefore write AC as it is. Value of AB is 16 and value of BC is 12. आपने निकालिए 12. Therefore AC square is equal to 16 square plus 12 square. 16 का स्क्वायर क्या है 256 और 12 का स्क्वायर 144. Therefore AC square is equal to 256 plus 144 is 400. And AC, taking square root on both sides, we get AC is equal to 20 centimeter. That is, length of the diagonal is 20 centimeter. Okay. Thank you. Today's homework: solve practice set 2.1, example number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, thank you.